Hey guys, back out there at the house demo. This is going to be a short one because we've got bad storms coming in. So I'm out here. I'm going to get some of this stuff cleaned up so it doesn't get blown around when the storm comes in. It's already starting to rain a little bit, so I'm going to get this stuff cleaned up, piled up, and then if I have some time, start getting some of this vegetation behind me on the ground. Get it out of my way, because I can do that while it's raining. So stick around. I'm gonna get a little wet today, I think. it is about to storm. So I'm gonna throw the tarp on this thing and go try to get to the dump before the storm comes. You see, got all the house piled up there. Well, that what was left of that wall of that back room. And we got all that vegetation stripped out of there. There's the old truck bed. And there was a shed back here in the corner. So the neighbor across the street's been watching my equipment while I've been gone. So I took all the metal. There was a bunch of scrap metal in the shed. So I took all that out and put it in the bed for him. So when I get all this done, I'll drag this out to the street and he can, you know, go scrap that metal. But yeah, that's where we got to today.